Hey and welcome to DesignGibocover.com. I am going to teach you today one of the best way to create software cover using Photoshop. So let's start by opening software cover flat PSD and then go back and open software 1 PSD. We need both of the PSDs to be open because we are going to use both of them. This is the software layout that you are going to get. As you can see, we have in here two smart objects, the left side and the right side. The smart object is a function inside of Photoshop that lets us edit the 3D layout inside the flat window, which makes it a lot easier to edit. To open the smart object, press twice on the icon that's on the left side of the layer. As you can see, Photoshop has opened us a new window, a flat window of the 3D layout. Any changes that you are going to make on this window will take effect on the 3D layout after you will save it. So you can just edit the 3D layout by making the changes on the flat window and save it by going to File and Save. Any changes that you are going to make on the flat window will take effect on the 3D layout when you will save it. You can make the changes to the left side as well by pressing twice on the smart object, make the changes that you want and save it. And the changes will take effect on the 3D layout as well. But because we have both the left side and the right side, and if you want to add a picture to the design, you will want the picture that on the left side to be a perfect continuation of the picture that on the right side. And that may be a little hard to do by editing each one of the sides separately. So for that reason, we are going to use the software cover flat PSD. We have in here both the left side and the right side. So we are just going to make all the changes on this PSD and copy the left side to the left side and the right side to the right side. You can tell what the layer does by the layer name that's on the right side of the layer. For example, this is the headline layer and this is the headline background. Any layer that has a T icon on the left side is a text layer. To edit the text, you need to press twice on the icon and put your new text. When you're done, press once on the V that's on the top window to approve that. You can do the same to all the other text layers. If you want to change the color of the text layer needs to be selected. Then select the type tool and on the top window select the color box and choose the new color that you want. Any layer that has a color box on the left side is a background, and to change the color, press twice on the color box and choose the new color that you want. You can do the same to all the other layers that have a color box on the left side. If you want to add a picture to the design, you need to open the picture inside of Photoshop. Select the part in the picture that you want using the rectangle marquee tool and copy it by going to Edit and Copy. Now go back to the flat PSD and paste it above the layer that say Put Image Here. You can do that by going to Edit and Paste. To move the picture inside of Photoshop, select the Move tool and drag the picture to the right place you want it to be. Now you can change anything else on the layers. If you want one of the layers to not show up, press once on the edit on the left side of the layer and the layer will disappear. This is the left headline. The website. Tagline background. headline background. The author background and the author name. Now we are going to merge all the layers to one layer. After we will do that, you won't be able to make any changes to the layout, so it will probably be the best idea to save the PSD now. You can do that by going to File, Save As, give it a new name and click on Save. You can merge all the layers by going to Layer and Merge Visible. And as you can see now, all the layers become one layer. You can copy the left side by choosing the rectangle marquee tool. You can tell where the left side ends using the guideline. If you don't see the guideline, you can go to View, Show, and put a V on Guides. Now select the left side, copy it by going to Edit, Copy, go to Software 1 PSD file, open the Smart Object on the software left side layer by clicking twice on the icon that's on the left side. Then paste the left side above all the layers by going to Edit and Paste, and save it by going to File and Save. Then you will see the changes on the 3D layout, and you need to do the same to the right side. Select it using the rectangle marquee tool and copy it by going to Edit and Copy. Then open the layer that's called Software Front. The software front is the right side on the 3D layout, and paste it above all the layers. And this is how you edit the software cover. This is it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video.